Brighton Mutabuka argues that Mnangagwa's supporters want him to stay in office beyond 2028, which, according to him, is unconstitutional. The Zimbabwean constitution, as it stands, allows a president to serve only 2 terms. Mnangagwa's second term ends in 2028, simple as that. But, here's the kicker. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. This guy's not just your average VP, he's a former army general who played a pivotal role in the 2017 coup that brought Mnangagwa to power. And guess what? He feels entitled to be Mnangagwa's successor. Now you can see where this is heading. On one side, we have Mnangagwa's camp, pushing for an extended stay in office. On the other, Chiwenga, who believes it's his turn to lead. This isn't just a political disagreement, it's a potential showdown. And for us Zimbabweans, it's more than just a power struggle, it's about the future of our democracy. So what could happen? Well, if Mnangagwa tries to cling to power past 2028, we might see a constitutional crisis. And Chiwenga? He's not the type to back down without a fight. The tension is palpable, and it's something we all need to pay attention to. The stakes are high, my friends. This isn't just about 2 men vying for power, it's about the rule of law, the Constitution, and ultimately, the will of the people. We've seen what happens when power goes unchecked, and it's not pretty. In conclusion, let's stay informed and engaged. The political landscape in Zimbabwe is shifting, and we have a front row seat. As citizens, our voices matter. Let's ensure that whatever happens, it respects our Constitution and our democratic values. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into critical issues facing Zimbabwe. Stay strong, stay informed. Until next time.